All right, we are going to take a little bit of time to install this remote start in a 2017 F-250. It says on the box F-150 and select Fords, but this model does work on the F-250. Simple install, so let's get started with that. All right, opening this up, we have the remote start control module there, and wiring harness with, so the T-harness with some zip ties, instructions, and if you have any trouble, call the manufacturer, not Amazon. So, remote start module, wiring harness is the T-harness, RF kit adapter, you use to plug additional accessories into the remote starter. So I'm not sure what those would be, and then zip ties to clean it all up. So first thing we need to do is, right here is, if you can see that, right there is the factory plug, so you unplug that. Super simple. And then I'm going to open the T-harness and get that plugged in. All right, so here's the T-harness. Is a good enough view. So we'll get this plugged into the back here. And then factory plug into there. Ta-da! Now let me come back here and reference the directions. And I think, yeah, this is the lock, unlock, lock option, so the horn won't beep. There is a hit the lock button 3 times option, so that's not the one I got. All right, so programming instructions. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. So let me see, let me get some of this trash out of the way. All right, I'll try to do it as best I can here. All right, so press and hold the programming button. So that's that button here. With your finger, still holding it down, connect the black connector. So it is all color coded. Okay. The blue, red, yellow, and blue LEDs will alternate. When the blue LED is lit, release the programming button. So yellow, blue, red, blue, release the programming button. It should stay lit. Insert the remaining white connector. Okay. All right, that's done. Turn the ignition on, wait for the blue LED to flash rapidly. So, I don't know if you can see this.
Other things to
all right, so it's
Milan and Venice.
So it's
an increasing number of governments are now advising people to.
All right, ignition off. And the blue LED will turn off. Your module is now successfully done. So this, I guess, is extra. I'd like to know what else you could get. Maybe I'll do a little research and add it. So before I button all this up, let's give it a try. Hey guys, come on, quit yelling. A little bit of a delay there, but all good. So, there you have it. All right.
Let's get on the water.
Ta-da!